friends! Today we are drawing this cute Christmas gift box.
Yay!
So, let's get started. To make a gift box first, we will draw a big square. Christmas presents are wrapped with lots of love. Now, we will make a cover of the box. For that, we will draw a rectangle on our square box. On top of the box, we will draw a ribbon. It is used to tie our gift. Now, we will highlight our drawing. Time to color our drawing. First, we will color the gift box red. Red reminds us of Santa's suit and Christmas joy. Color slowly and gently so it looks nice and neat. Imagine this gift under a big Christmas tree. Now, we will color the ribbon around the gift box green. Oh, with red-green colors, it is already looking amazing! Wow, it looks so Christmassy already! It's time to color the ribbon bow on the box pink and rest of the ribbon blue. Now, we will decorate our gift box with snowflakes and some white circles. Use a white pen and draw many scattered snowflakes in circles. It will give our box a winter holiday look. On the lid of the box, we will draw some hearts and circles. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.